Meaning of flip-flop.
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 Flip-flop. Flip-flop is a term used to describe a type of electronic circuit that can alternate between two stable states, typically represented by the binary digits 0 and 1. This means that the circuit can switch back and forth between these two states in a cyclical manner. The output of the flip-flop depends on the current state and the input signal. Flip-flops are often used in digital systems to store information or synchronize processes. The ability to switch between two states makes them useful for memory storage and control applications.